Hello my dear student, this is Saiful Islam, lecturer of Mathematics, Milestone College. Welcome all of you to my online class again. Today I will discuss about exercise 3.2 of your general math. At first I will show you the formula of this exercise. Already you have learned formula number 1 to 5 in exercise 3.1. So from this exercise we will start from formula number 6. So look at the board, formula number 6, that is a plus b whole cube. The formula of a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. This one we can write like this: a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube, and we can take common 3ab and it remain a plus b. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, also the formula of a plus b whole cube. Now from this formula we can write a corollary. Look at the board again. We can write the corollary of a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube. So what is the corollary of a cube plus b cube? A plus b whole cube and minus 3ab into a plus b. This plus become minus when it change the side. Now formula number 7. Formula number 7, that is a minus b whole cube, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Similarly, as formula number 6, we can write like this: a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, and it will be a minus b. Again from formula 7 we can write a corollary, that is a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab a minus b. This subtraction will be addition. So from formula number 6 we get a corollary, and formula number 7 also we get a corollary. Now I will show you the formula number 7 and 8. Formula number 7, that is a cube plus b cube. Just now I have shown the corollary of a cube plus b cube. Now I wanted to discuss about the formula of a cube plus b cube. Yes, a cube plus b cube has both the formula and the corollary. Just now I have written a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab a plus b. This is the corollary for a cube plus b cube. And what is the formula of a cube plus b cube? That is a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. Now formula number 8, that is a cube minus b cube. Yes, it also have a corollary. Just now I have shown you a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab a minus b, and the formula of a cube plus b cube is a minus b a square minus ab plus b square. But what is the uses of formula and the corollary of a cube plus b cube? When we simplify or factorize we will use the formula. When we factorize the expression, we will use the formula, but to find out the value, to determine the value, we will use the corollary. Now I will show you some problem from this exercise. At first, question number 1. Find the cube with the help of the formula. Sub number 2, 7m square plus 2n. So let's see the solution. The cube of 7m square minus 2n, that is 7m square minus 2n whole cube. Look, if you consider 7m square as a and minus 2n as b, it become a minus b whole cube. Definitely we know the formula of a minus b whole cube, that is a cube minus 3 into a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube. Look here, I consider this one as a and this one as b. So a minus b whole cube, and the formula of a minus b whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube. Now 7m square whole cube, there is 7 whole cube and into m square whole cube. What is the value of 7 whole cube? 7 whole cube means 7 into 7 into 7, that is 7, 7 and 7, 49 into 7, 4 9s are 63, 7 4s are 28 and 6, that is 34, 343, 343 and m square whole cube, that is power of power. In case of power, we should multiply the power. 2 6 are 2 3s are 6, m to the power 6 minus 3 7 square, that is 49, then m square whole square, power of power will be multiplied 2 2s are 4 into 2n plus 3 7s are 21 m square and 2 square, it will be 4 n square minus 2 whole cube. 2 whole cube is 8 and n cube, that is n cube. Now 343 m to the power 6 minus 3 into 49 into 2. We will multiply this 3 number. 2 3s are 6, 6 into 49, 49 into 6, 6 9s are 54, remain 5, 4 6 are 24 and 5 29, that is 294, 294 m power 4 and plus 21 4s are, that is 84, 84 m square n square minus 8 n cube. So this is the cube of 7m square minus 2n. Now problem number 2. Look, simplify. We will simplify sub number 2. A plus b plus c whole cube minus a minus b minus c whole cube minus 6b plus c second bracket a square minus b plus c whole square. We will simplify. A plus b plus c whole cube minus a minus b minus c whole cube minus 6b plus c a square minus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole cube minus a minus b minus c whole cube. Now we can write 3 into 2b plus c, and we can consider this is a and this is b. So a square minus b square, it become a plus b plus c, a minus b minus c. Now let a plus b plus c equal to m, a minus b minus c equal to n. Now subtract these two equation, we will get 2b plus 2c equal to m minus n. Therefore 2b plus c equal to m minus n. Now it become m cube minus n cube. 3 minus 3 and 2bc. The value of 2bc is m minus n. So you can write m minus n, and this is m, this is n. Now arrange it, it become like this: m cube minus n cube minus 3 mn into m minus n. So what is the formula of what is this formula? This is actually the formula of m minus n whole cube. M minus n whole cube. Now again we will put the value of m n in this expression. So actually it will be a plus b plus c minus a minus b minus c overall whole cube. So remove the first bracket, it become a plus b plus c and minus a plus b plus c whole cube. Minus a plus a will be cancelled. Now it remain 2b 2c. So it become 2b plus 2c whole cube. That is, if you take 2 common, it will be 2 into b plus c whole cube. That is 8 b plus c whole cube. This is the simplified answer of question number 2. Now sub number 3 of the problem number 2. Again we will simplify m plus n whole to the power 6 minus m minus n whole to the power 6 minus 12 mn into m square minus n square whole square. So at first we will write the question again: m plus n whole power 6 minus m minus n whole power 6 minus 12 mn m square minus n square whole square. Look, we can write square whole cube, m plus n square then a whole cube, because the power of the power will be multiplied and it become 6. Similarly, we can write m minus n square whole cube, and here 3 into 4 mn, 3 4s are 12 mn, and it will be m plus n m minus n, that is a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. There is a square, whole square. So that square we can write the both number. Now let m plus n square equal to a, m minus n whole square equal to b. Now subtract it. What it will be? It will be m plus n whole square minus m minus n whole square, that is a minus b. Now look, m plus n whole square minus m minus n whole square, that is the formula of 4mn. I mean 4ab is equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. We can use that formula over there, 4m n equal to a minus b. Now this expression become like this. Now we can write a cube minus b cube minus 3 4mn. What is the value of 4mn? A minus b, and this is a, this is b, a, b. Just arrange it, it will be a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, a minus b. Look at this expression. Actually, this is the formula of a minus b whole cube. So we can write a minus b whole cube over there. Now we replace the value of a and b. The value of a is m plus n whole square, m plus n whole square minus m minus n whole square, and there is a whole cube. Again, look, what is the formula? A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, that is 4ab. So 4m and whole cube. What is the cube of 4? 64. 4 cube is equal to 64, and that is m cube n cube. So this is the simplified answer of question number 3. Now problem number 4. If a cube minus b cube equal to 513 and a minus b equal to 3, what is the value of ab? Given a cube minus b cube equal to 513 and a minus b equal to 3. Now look at the board. What is the corollary of a cube and b cube? We know the corollary of a cube and b cube is a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b equal to 513. A cube minus b cube. The corollary of a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b is equal to 513. And we know the value of a minus b, that is 3. So 3 whole cube plus 3ab into 3 equal to 513. What is 3 cube? We know 3 cube is equal to 27 plus 9ab equal to 513. So we can write 9ab equal to 513 minus 27. 9ab equal to, look, 513 minus 27, that is 6, 8 and 4, 486. Now ab equal to 486 divided by 9. What it will be? 9 5s are 45 and 9 4s are 36, 54. So the value of AB is 54. Answer. Now question number 6. If A equal to 15, what is the value of 8a cube plus 60a square plus 150a plus 130? So look at the board. Given a equal to 15. Now we will write the given expression again. 8a cube plus 60a square plus 150a plus 130. Now look, 8a cube, we can write it 2a whole cube, 2a whole cube, and 130 we can write 125, that is 5 whole cube plus 5. 130 we can write 5 whole cube, that is 125 plus 5. Now it will be 3 into a means 2a whole square into b means 5. Look, 2 square, that is 4, 4 5 is 20, 23 is 60, 60a square. Similarly, it will be 3 into a into b square. So what it become? It become the formula of a cube plus b cube. A means 2a and b means 5. So a plus b whole cube plus 5. It become the formula of a plus b whole cube. Now what is the value of a? A means 15. So it will be 2 into 15 plus 5 whole cube plus 5. That is 30 plus 5 whole cube plus 5. It will be 35 whole cube plus 5. So what is the cube of 35? You should multiply 35 3 times. So it will be 42,875 plus 5. So 42,880 is the required answer. Now look, problem number 7. If a plus b equal to m, a square plus b square equal to n, and a cube plus b cube equal to p cube, show that m cube plus 2 p cube equal to 3 mn. At first, given a plus b equal to m, a square plus b square equal to n, and a cube plus b cube equal to p cube. So left hand side, we will take the left hand side to prove it. M cube plus 2 p cube, that is m a plus b whole cube plus 2 p cube, that is a cube plus b cube. Now what is the formula of a plus b whole cube? That is a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube, and here 2 a cube plus 2 b cube. Now there is a cube and 2a cube, 3a cube, b cube and 2b cube, that is 3b cube. So we can write like this: 3 common, a cube plus a square b plus ab square plus b cube. Now we will take common a square, it remain a plus b. Here b square, it remain a plus b. So what it become? It become 3 a plus b, 3 a plus b, and it remain a square plus b square. Now look, what is the value of a plus b? A plus b is equal to m. So we can write over there m, and a square plus b square is equal to n, and that is the right hand side. So left hand side equal to right hand side should. Now question number 10. This is the last question of this lecture. Now look, if m plus 1 by m equal to a, find the value of m cube plus 1 by m cube. Given m plus 1 by m is equal to a. Here m cube plus 1 by m cube, we can consider this m whole cube plus 1 by m whole cube, that is a cube plus b cube. What is the corollary of a cube plus b cube? Look, a plus b whole cube minus 3 a into b and a plus b. Here it is given the value of m plus 1 by m, that is a. So a cube plus, cancel this 2m, a cube minus 3a. Now take common a, it will be a square minus 3. So this is the answer of m cube plus 1 by m cube when the value of m plus 1 by m is equal to a. So hope that you have understood. See you again. Allah Hafiz.